The surface of the ocean is where life is most familiar. Light, movement, and warmth dominate the upper layers, but beneath this calm exterior lies a world few have ever seen, a realm colder, darker, and vastly more alien than anything above. As we descend past 200 meters, the sunlight fades. By 1000 meters, the ocean becomes completely dark. This is the midnight zone, where the pressure is crushing, the temperature hovers near freezing, and food is scarce. Yet here, life thrives. The animals of the deep have evolved not for comfort, but for survival. Their shapes, colors, and behaviors may seem bizarre, but each trait tells a story of adaptation. One of the most striking features of deep-sea life is bioluminescence, the ability to produce light. In the absence of sunlight, many species have evolved their own glow, not for beauty, but for function. Some use it to hunt, others to hide. Some flash as a warning, others glow to attract a mate. Footage of a jellyfish reveals soft pulses of blue and violet glowing through the darkness like a living lantern. Its delicate structure allows it to drift slowly, conserving energy in a place where every movement is a cost. Nearby, a comb jelly drifts by. Rows of cilia ripple along its body, scattering light like a shimmering rainbow. Though it appears gentle, it is a predator feeding on plankton and smaller jellies drawn in by its silent movement. The anglerfish is a master of deception. A single glowing lure dangles from its forehead, swaying in the dark like a worm. When curious prey draws near, it vanishes in a sudden snap of jaws. Its body is small, but its mouth is enormous, a necessary adaptation when meals are rare and unpredictable. Another deep-sea hunter, the gulper eel, looks like something from another world. Its mouth is wide enough to swallow prey larger than itself. It hunts by waiting in the dark, motionless, invisible, then exploding into action. The barreleye fish is one of the ocean's strangest residents. Its head is transparent, allowing its tubular eyes to rotate inside and scan the water above. This design gives it a better chance of spotting silhouetted prey or predators passing overhead. In the deep, motion is rare. Most creatures conserve energy. Food falls from above in the form of marine snow, tiny particles of organic matter drifting from the surface or dead animals. The fall of a single large corpse, like a whale, can support an entire community for decades. This is called a whale fall. First come the scavengers, hagfish, amphipods, crabs, devouring the soft tissue. Then months or years later, bone-eating worms settle in, slowly breaking down the skeleton. But not all deep-sea ecosystems depend on food from above. At the edges of tectonic plates, cracks in the seafloor release chemical-rich fluids from the Earth's crust. These are hydrothermal vents, superheated chimneys that spew black clouds of minerals. Around them, life is surprisingly abundant. Here, giant tube worms lacking mouths or stomachs house symbiotic bacteria that convert vent chemicals into energy. Vent shrimp, often blind, gather around the heat. These communities rely on chemosynthesis, not sunlight, one of the few places on Earth where life exists completely independently of the sun. Elsewhere, deep-sea coal seeps leak methane and hydrogen sulfide, supporting mussels, clams, and unique species of worms. These seeps, though quieter than vents, are equally rich in life. As we explore deeper into oceanic trenches over 10,000 meters down, life becomes more mysterious. These trenches are deeper than Mount Everest is tall. The pressure here is over 1,000 times atmospheric pressure at sea level. And yet snailfish have been recorded living at these depths. Soft-bodied translucent creatures with no swim bladders, perfectly adapted to life under extreme pressure. Smaller scavengers, amphipods, sea cucumbers, and sea spiders comb the seafloor in search of anything edible. Most are slow, methodical, adapted to a nutrient-poor environment where even the smallest scrap is valuable. Occasionally, life from below rises toward the surface. This nightly movement is called the vertical migration, the largest migration on Earth by biomass. Billions of small creatures, including lanternfish, krill, copepods, and squid, ascend at night to feed and return before dawn. Their rise supports countless predators, from tuna to whales. and redistributes nutrients throughout the ocean. Every glowing jellyfish, every blind shrimp, every translucent fish is a record of millions of years of evolution in the most challenging environment on Earth. The deep sea is not empty. It is a vast archive of life, slow-moving, energy-efficient, and incredibly diverse. It is a part of Earth that functions without sunlight, without plants, and often without direct human contact. But it is not beyond human influence.